Bro, but look at this two-stroke. 2024 right here. Oh my God, that thing is beautiful. Oh. Hey, you brought out the freaking clean two-stroke, bro. How you doing, bro? Good to see you, bro. It's been a minute. You hiding?
All the two-strokes ganging up on you today.
Yeah, bro. I want all the smoke, bro. Okay. Give me that oil in my face. This was a regular one, not an X, right? Or
yeah.
So these are
that's nice, bro. When you chop that, there's like
it's just
everybody says the regular 125s are better.
Yeah, the power bands of the X are just shorter. I feel like a tiny bit shorter.
And bappier.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, I need a warm up lap. Bro, but look at this two-stroke. 2024 right here. Oh my God, that thing is beautiful. Holy. This thing is so sick, bro. Woohoo! Let's go! Oh shit. We got KTM boys outside, bro. What's good?
I met you on BLT. I don't know if you remember. We were talking about riding dirt in Ocala.
BLT?
Right on top.
Ah, yeah. Oh, y'all are from Ocala.
Yeah.
Shit, you too? Let's go.
I'm the one who's always DMing you. When are you coming to my lot?
Where's your lot? This?
Yeah, right.
Ah, I don't know. I don't think I've seen it. Those are both 500?
Yeah. Right,
Let's see it. Pull it up. Alright, KTM boys. Let's go. Can't forget homie right here. Let's go. We got the modular helmets outside today, bro. If you ain't modular, what are you doing? Hey! You got the stand-up one-hander on that or no? Bro, it's so scary on the two-strokes. You got the one-hander? Yeah, no. Hey, it's coming. No, yeah. I can stand up on it, but I can't do nothing else. Like, I could jump on it, but that's it. But I like being low in the gear, like you said, like yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's go. Boy, killing it, bro. It's getting so much better, bro. Bro, look at homie, bro. On the Supermoto. Look at up there doing no hands. Yes, sir. Where's that red bomb? Hey, where's the rev bomb?
Hey, I got an ECU, so up the max rev. I got a ECU.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
I just don't want to beat on it, to be honest.
Oh, you don't want to blow it up?
Yeah, I mean it only has like 115 hours on it.
KTM problems, man. I'm telling you, bro. They keep taking money.
Hey, but that big 500 might get different.
It's definitely.
Tips, to be honest, for standing on the seat, I just threw a handbrake on, even though I haven't really fucked around with jumping around on the seat. But to get comfy with it, you think it's easier to just start standing on the seat and pop it up, or just jump to the seat?
I mean, the way I learned it, I would like go to the seat first and then sort of pop it up.
That's what I think I would do.
And then just slowly like bring it up to like where it's a little below balance and just try to keep it there. But you have the handbrake, so you're sort of chilling.
Only last night, to be honest, because that's what before I was like.
You just gotta make sure you hit it. I don't know what he said, bro. Oh, a little problem? I'm about to blow my move. Bro, that was sick. I was trying to go behind you like da 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 da. Yeah, hold that brake, yes sir. Bro, I love that color, bro. Let's go. Bro, I can't stop looking at that bike. Huh? No, in a bit, maybe after you're done and shit. But it's still riding good, like, cause I know you're having problems when you first got it.
Yeah, it's a lot better now.
Let's go. We're on the DRC, bro. Woo! It's so close. Yes, sir. That one was deep, bro. That one was deep, bro. You went far.
Well, yeah.
I think you hit your light on that one.
I think I did. Oh, shit.
I think you hit your light, bro. Eventually, the more scrapes you do it, the more LEDs that start going. That's what happened to mine until there's none left.
That's probably going to happen to mine.
Yeah. You good, brother? The bike looks good, at least. Alright, we're about to hop on the YZ125X. As you guys know, I like the regular version better, but this version is also nice.
I gotta get a little bit of that. I thought we were gonna hop back on it and be good.
Yeah.
I gotta get a little more used to it.
You gotta get back in the 4-stroke. Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Shout out to Big 450 for holding it down today. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Until next time, gang. Peace. Shout out to Big 450 for holding it down today. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Until next time, gang. Peace.